Dear student, good morning. See the properties of invertible matrix. First, if ABC be the square matrix of same order, then AB is equal to AC, then implies that B is equal to C. This is known as left cancellation property. BA is equal to CA is equal to implies that B is equal to C. This is right cancellation property. Second, if A and B are invertible matrix of same order, then AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Remark, if A, B, C are invertible matrix of same order, then we can define A, B, C inverse is equal to C inverse into B inverse into A inverse. Third, if A is invertible matrix, then transpose of A is also invertible. Inverse of A transpose is equal to A inverse transpose. Fourth, the inverse of an invertible symmetric matrix is a symmetric. A inverse of transpose is equal to A inverse, then implies that A inverse is a symmetric matrix. Fifth, let A be a non-singular matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of p power n minus 1. 6. If A and B are non-singular matrix of same order, then adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. 7th, if A is a invertible square matrix, then adjoint of A transpose is equal to adjoint A transpose or transport of adjoint A. 8th, the adjoint of symmetric matrix of say also symmetric matrix transpose of adjoint A is equal to adjoint A, where adjoint A is symmetric matrix. 9th, if A is a non-singular matrix, then adjoint of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A p power n minus 2 into A. See the next topic, solution of linear equation. Consider the following system of linear equation, that is a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 and so on, plus a1nxn is equal to b1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 and so on, plus a21xn is equal to b2, and dot 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 in last am1x1 plus am2x2 plus am3x3 and so on, plus amnxn is equal to bm. This system of equation can be written in the matrix form as a11, a12, a13 and so on, a1n, a21, a22, a23 and so on, a2n and so on, dot dot dot, am1, am2, am3 and so on, amn. And in it is equal to a, and x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn is equal to x, and b1, b2 and so on, bm is equal to b. The following algorithm to solve the system of linear equation. The algorithm C, first of all express the equation as ax is equal to ba. Second, find determinant of A. If determinant A is not equal to 0, that is, it has unique solution, it means inverse will be exist. Find the inverse using the formula A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint A, and after that use the formula x is equal to A inverse B for find the value of variable. Fourth, if determinant A is equal to 0, then the system of equation has inconsistent or it has infinite many solutions. To distinguish these two processes as follows. Compute adjoint A into B. If adjoint A into B is not equal to 0, then the system has inconsistent, that is no solution. If adjoint A into B is equal to 0, then the system has many solutions, that is infinite solution. That's all for today.